This is how you're going to delete a hosting or domain. Deleting a domain is typically done via the billing or domain section depending on how it was purchased. So first you're going to log into your hosting or HPanel, and then you're going to head over to the domain section right here at the left side of your screen, and then you're going to then find the specific domain that you wish to delete or remove. You're going to look for options like details, manage, or actions, so you can access it from the manage, and then you can also just click on this ellipsis icon, and then you try to find if there is a delete button right here. So let's just going to click on manage and see if we can find the delete button. But as you can see, we can't really find it. We can just, now what we can do is we can just click on this auto renewal icon. We're going to toggle that off so that this won't be renewed anytime that our expiration date is done. So we're just going to disable auto renewals to make sure that this will not renew. And then if it's a new domain, you can look for again the delete or cancel registration option. Now if it is an old domain, we're going to head over to the billing section, and then we're going to simply disable auto renewal in the billing section like we did to let it expire. So Hostinger does not usually allow immediate deletion of registered domains due to ICANN rule. So as you can see, once the auto renewal is off for this domain, this service will no longer be active once the expiration date is over or done. And that's it. Again, you cannot directly delete it unless your account is very new or you want to cancel your plan immediately. And that's it. That is how you're going to delete a hosting or a domain. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.